and overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 11, verse 26. And Terah lived 70 years and begot Abram, Nahor, and Haran. So during this time, Terah became different from his ancestor, and three of his sons became head of the family of their own family, and that's why. And during this time, Abraham is not yet Abraham, but of course, sooner or later he will be Abraham. So this is the period that they their tribe or their family began to expand to the point that they need three different tribe head or leader of their family. So Abram, Nakor, and Haran. So there's a that's the time of their expansion, and maybe their territory is growing. That's why they need to expand, and so those three became head of the family, and at the same time, their priests.